sail. City lights shining, but I feel no glow. Fenua calling deep down, I know Wai Au. I whisper in the rain, too far from the Madai. I feel that pain, mana in my blood, but the rhythm feels lost. Trying to find my roots, whatever the cost. Adoa, guide me home again, from the steel and smoke to the Wai Au again. Go Tahitanga, bring me back inside to the songs of my people where my spirit can hide. Whoa, na na na, haka in my heartbeat as I walk this road. Tipuna voices whisper stories of old. Mighty soul in this urban frame, still the same fire, still the same flame. Adoa, guide me home again, from the steel and smoke to the Wai Au again. Weekend comes, I head to the coast, feel the Wai Au rising like I found my ghost. Go the wire of memories wrapped round my soul. Tipuna guiding me to make me whole. Call, hide in my head, I remember it all. Mana returns as the tide rolls in, out the city and the fen who I live within. Adoa, guide me home again, from the steel and smoke to the Wai Au again. Go Tahitanga, I can finally see the roots of my people growing strong.